Gotabaya Rajapaksa has officially stepped down as president of Sri Lanka. It comes after months of anti-government protests over a worsening economic crisis. Sri Lanka's parliamentary speaker officially accepted Rajapaksa's resignation on Friday. Earlier this week, the now former leader fled the country with his wife. He is now reportedly in Singapore. It brings an end to more than a decade of Sri Lanka's rule by the Rajapaksa dynasty. Both Gotabaya and his brother Mahinda have served as president, while their relatives have held key government positions. Colombo, the country's largest city, is still under a state of emergency after a week of unrest. Protesters clashed with security forces on Wednesday, and the official residences of both the president and the prime minister remain occupied by demonstrators. The country remains critical short on food and fuel and lacks the funds to import more.